viewers and listeners on this channel, Daily Positive Living channel. On this channel and platform, we talk about daily informations that can take you to where your desired destination will be. I've been talking on information, and I tell you, we need to really hit it because it's a major source of disaster. Without information, you cannot go far. Many people say that if you want to hide any good thing from an Africa, you say put it in a book, because many people, they don't want to look for information. The relevant information they need, they feel very hard in looking for information. Most of the things you need are in a book. They are in an experience. They are packaged in a product that you need to look for. Let me give you this one. I was on a trip one day going to Atlanta, Georgia in USA. You know, I bought my plane from Lagos using a Delta airline. To go from Lagos to Atlanta would take about 13 hours, 13 to 40 hours on the stretch. Delta airline does not stop on any there's no transit location. They go direct to Atlanta. While on my trip, as I was going, when it was close to the night, guess what happened? I saw that almost everybody was sleeping. In the plane, everybody was sleeping. The whole light was off. I went to just few people. I was on throughout the night, reading and searching. Few people that I saw, 1 or 2, 3 people, they were all white men. All the other people have slept. What am I talking about? Black man, to read is another issue. But if you are looking for relevant information, you need to be voracious in reading. It's very, very important. In fact, many people fail exam because they don't even want to look for information. Some do not even want to obey instruction. Simple instruction they cannot obey. If a lecturer comes to you and say, oh boy, buy my handout and then you pass my exam, it will be foolishness, ignoramus for you to go and be putting your leg and doing put your leg inside water, doing TDB, TD break, and not listening to instruction. What will happen? He said, buy my handout and then you pass. You will be taking Nescafe, you will chew cola and still be on there. At the end of the day, you will not go anywhere. Obedience to instruction, information is key to lead you where you need to be. Finally, lack of information, ignorance is a major cause of disaster. Personal life experience I will share with you on this matter. Why you need information, because a major disaster. When I was then a medical officer in a general hospital, there is this 13-year-old girl that was brought to me from a secondary school. 13-year-old, they made to brought the girl. And this girl, her abdomen was distended. You know, distension of abdomen is a serious case. In the school, they were querying, they were telling her that suspecting pregnancy. So they decided to remove her from school and bring her to test in the hospital. They asked the girl, has you ever slept with any man? He said no. Okay, so why is your abdomen getting distended? It became a cause of worry. They didn't know what to do. They wanted the doctor to now demystify why her abdomen was protruding, and she has told them he has not slept with any man. So they brought her to me while in my consulting room as a medical officer then, senior medical officer then in the general hospital. This was about 20 something years ago. I'm taking this real life experience. When I saw this girl, 13-year-old girl, I saw that the abdomen was distended. The first question I asked, have you slept? He said no. Is it are you Mother Virgin Mary? Because I don't need any prophet to tell me. By the way, if you see a distended abdomen, about 5 or 6 things will come into your mind. If any woman has a distended abdomen has protruded, without you, 6 things must appear in your head. 1, it could be a fluid. It could be any of these 6 things. Could it be a fluid? Could it be a fat? Could it be a fibroid? Could it be a flatus? Or could it be a fetus? Any of these things. Or could it be a liver cell or something fluid that has accumulated? So these 5 things came to my head. Fluid, fat, flatus, fibroid, or a fetus. But at that level of 13-year-old, it cannot be fibroid. because it will be difficult. It cannot be fluid because it was not suffering from it. So on my own, I just decided without consulting any prophet and oracle. I knew that with my medical knowledge, this could actually be a fetus, could actually be a pregnancy. So I asked again, my little girl, has anything, because I've been asking her, I changed the question. Has anything ever crossed your local government headquarters? And you know the Federal Capital Territory, that is where things need to move through. Has any, even if it's a nail, even if it's an iron, even if it's a wood, has anything ever crossed your local government headquarters? That was when this guy opened up to me. Yeah? He said, nothing has actually, the only experience I have, began to tell the story. I just have some small discharge. I had small discharge. So I went to a chemist man. Tell me what happened. He said, as I went to chemist man, my brothers and sisters, to read the he said he went to the chemist man and he complained I was having small discharge and itching. And the man told me, I know as a medical doctor I can tell you there are some normal discharges that can come out of a woman that is normal. And the chemist man said, that little girl, lie down, I'm going to give you injection. This injection, as I inject it into you, this your discharge and your itching will stop on the spot. How did he do it? He allowed this young girl to lie down on the couch in his shop, and this man pulled his trouser, and the man climbed on her and injected something. He said something just came out like a can on top of her. That was the only thing. And how many months later, something happened. He began to vomit. He began to some small sickness, and her abdomen began to distend. He didn't know that the man had slept with her because he was not fully informed. That was how this girl's future was terminated. He has to be evacuated and dismissed from school because it was actually pregnancy. When I examined her, he was almost 4 to 5 months pregnant because he was not aware. He was still arguing with the matron, I have not slept with any man. Meanwhile, a chemist man has already slept with her. I have to pursue that chemist man to his shop. He didn't go free, but because of lack of information, because of ignorance, it's a major disaster in life. So many people are into calamities, catastrophic, cataclysm. Things happen to them. Some have lost their bearing in life. Some are into depression because of lack of information. That is why on this platform, I want to tackle ignorance to the core. So what are we saying? By the time you know and you obey instruction and hook on to this channel, my brothers and sisters, you will never fail. That is why I am mandated on this channel to keep you well informed. Because if you are well informed, decisions will become easy. So brothers and sisters, who come to this channel, Dr. Daniel Otto YouTube channel, subscribe to it. Your life will not remain the same again. Thank you, viewers, and the Lord God bless you.